Hi, welcome to the Wooden Spoon powered by Vaidehi and Mandevi Heen. This is Chef Nupur Varma. Today I have an interesting recipe which is a summer cooler which everybody loves. It's the Aam Panna. To make our Aam Panna, we'll put our mangoes in a pressure cooker with some water and pressure cook up to 3 whistles. Our mangoes or Cup Jaggery is cooked and ready to be used. Next we need to peel our mangoes or curry and remove the pulp. Our mango pulp is ready and we need to cook this. I am adding the mango pulp to a pan. To this I am adding a little water, black salt, jaggery or sugar. I am using jaggery powder, roasted jeera and some elaichi powder. We let this cook a couple of minutes. Our Aam Panna syrup is ready. We'll allow this to cool and make our Aam Panna. To make our Aam Panna, in some water, I'll put in my syrup, garnishing my Aam Panna with some mint leaves. Our summer refresher, the Aam Panna, is ready. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.